Around 200 professionals work across manufacturing, R&D, quality assurance, and technical service to support the complete product lifecycle. Every system starts with structured material management and production preparation, helping ensure an efficient and controlled manufacturing. From module assembly and internal wiring to enclosure fitting, standardized processes support consistent manufacturing across our product portfolio. This center supports over 30 product lines across a broad counter-UAS portfolio. Our production and delivery capabilities support project-specific requirements and large volume orders, with single shipments reaching up to 1,000 systems. Before deployment, hardware and software are systematically validated to verify functionality, RF performance, and continuous operating stability. Reliability testing and quality control are integrated throughout the process to help ensure consistent system performance. Testing continues beyond the production floor. Systems are validated in realistic environments across detection, tracking, and countermeasure scenarios. Following final inspection and system preparation, products are readied for shipment and real-world deployment. Our technical service team supports POC demonstrations, deployment, commissioning, training, remote support, maintenance, and system upgrades.